My hair maintenance for this iconic front stitch to twist stitch braids. Watch and learn. Yo, now this is gonna be my new and updated hair maintenance routine, whatever you call it, for this style. So let me take out the bun. Cool. Now we're gonna fluff it out a little bit. So we're gonna start in with my preferred oil. This is Camille Rosemary oil. This is strengthening hair, dry scalp drops. So I'm gonna put a little bit in. I'm not sure why I stopped speaking, but I just had to lock in. So I do oil in between the partings all the time, and I go through every individual section, just applying the oil into my scalp just as so. I do prefer oils like this that have this nib because I don't like to just pour it all over. I don't want to ruin the hairstyle, so I'm very intricate with how I just put it in between, and I just like to gently tap just in case it goes even further down, because you know when you have low porosity, that's just gonna go right through your head. Now there's multiple ways that you can use oil, especially rosemary oil I like to use at the ends of my hair just to protect the ends or seal the ends. Benefits of having long hair, they just get stuck together. Crazy. But yeah, I always will use either hot oil or cold oil to seal the ends. Now time for the back of my hair. I treat the back just as much as I treat the front. As you can see, the size is growing, so I got the little hairs at the back and I braided it down and it's gone into its own little mini twist. So yeah, I'm making sure that that's going to be oiled as well. Now I do like to pull a little bit into my hands so I can just put all over the head of my hair, but I don't go too much in, just like on the strands of the hair. So as you can see in the first video, it did look a little puffy, but now I'm just gonna fluff it out into a shape that I want it to be. And I always put oil on my tapered hairline all the time, especially I don't really get a lot of trims all the time, but I always like to preserve my hairline by putting a bit of oil and then just brushing it down with my Denman brush. The name for this brush is a Denman Military Beechwood brush. Yes, that is a bit of a mouthful, and we're almost done. I'm just gonna fluff it out a little bit, some more. So for this style where it's got front stitches and it has twist at the end, I do also like to put a durag on just to seal down all the oil. I don't want the oil seeping through my head, and I want it to stay in for about 10 minutes. Then I take it off. We are done, I'm ready. And deuces out, I'm gonna go work at this event.